Sometimes, you may have made ghost posts on Threads. That means it's like WhatsApp status or Instagram story. After 24 hours, it will be deleted. If you want to save that ghost post, you can save it. In this video, we'll tell you how to save ghost posts on Threads. For this, open the Threads application. After that, down here, you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo, and you can see ghost posts. Here, you can see that post. When you're clicking on that, here you can see every ghost post. And if you want to save any post, what you need to do is just select that post, and after that, above, you can see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots. When you're clicking on that, here you can see the save option. Click on save. When you're clicking on that, that post will be saved. After that, here you can see the saved section. And if you're not able to see that, go back, and here you can see 2 lines. Click on these 2 lines and select saved. And here, you can see that saved post. So, this way, you can easily save any ghost post on Threads. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.